Wildcard types. When it comes to programming, a wildcard is a symbol used to denote an unknown or unspecific element. In Java, there are two types of wildcards: upper bounded wildcards and lower bounded wildcards. Bounded wildcards. Upper bounded wildcards are denoted by the symbol ? followed by a supertype. This type of wildcard allows you to pass in a list of objects that are of the same type or a subtype of the specified supertype. For example, if you have a list of integers and you want to pass it to a method that accepts a list of numbers, you will use an upper bounded wildcard. Lower bounded wildcards. Lower bounded wildcards are denoted by the symbol ? followed by a subtype. This type of wildcard allows you to pass in a list of objects that are of the same type or a supertype of the specified subtype.